And on the 8th day, God looked down on his planned paradise and said, I need a caretaker. So God made a farmer.
Howdy folks, Darren back with you here at Cross Timbers Farm. Welcome to 8th Day Chronicles. The last video we took you along with us as we cut our test plot hay, and that was 3 days ago. We've had full 3 days of sunshine and lower humidity and a breeze. We ain't had much of a breeze today, but the last 2 days we had kind of breezy days and low humidity and the highs in the low 70s. Now today it's got up into the 80s. It's evening now, and I guess about 3 o'clock I saw it at home. I saw the temperature was at 83. So it's been hotter today than the rest of the week. And today is a Friday, and we cut this hay on a Tuesday. So it's had 3 full days of sunshine and low humidity and a breeze. We have had really heavy dews of the mornings. And here in the mountains in the fall, in September and October, our dews of the morning is almost like rainfall. I mean, the ground is just really soaked with the dew of the mornings. The heaviest dew we get all year. But anyway, the hay's done really well. I've hand tedded it twice, and I think it's ready to bale. So we've got the Kubota out, and we've got the Farm Maxx FM RB 330 by Redlands mini round baler hooked up, and we're ready to roll some hay. So we're really pleased with this hay. It's come out really nice, and I'll take you along and show you our windrows. It's getting up late in the evening, and I apologize for not bringing you along as I raked it. It's a really small plot, and raking it is actually kind of hard to do because it's so small. As soon as you get a windrow, a good straight windrow going, you're at the end of the row, and you have to turn real quick, and you know how turning and backing up and all is with a hay rake. There's not a whole lot to show. I mean, I was down the windrows in no time. But on top of that, I wanted to get this baled this evening, and the daylight's slipping away from us, and it's about we got maybe 2 hours of daylight left, so plenty of time. But I was afraid that if I would have waited longer and got the camera equipment out and done the filming of the raking, which wasn't much, to be honest. It went real quick, but I was afraid that the time I took to that, darkness would fall on me before I got this baled. So I skipped the raking part, and like I said, really there was not a lot to show. So we'll get a lot more raking in with the Grizzly hay rake early next summer, when we can do a lot of raking and show, and maybe even get a drone up in the air to look down and show how we're doing our raking. So with the Grizzly 4-wheel hay rake. But the hay rake hooked up really fast, rolled these windrows really quick, and I'll take you out here and show you the windrows right quick, and then we're going to get this baler fired up and start making some mini round bales. Okay folks, as you can see, we got our hay raked, and it looks really good. Nice thick rows, some of them almost too big for the mini round baler. I should have cut some of them in half again, but time was getting away from me. So we just went ahead and done our baling, or I'm sorry, our raking, and the hay looks really, really nice. This is some fantastic hay. Let me show you just a little bit of it here. Okay, that is nice hay. We're very pleased with it. It's good looking hay, and we're going to get the little mini round baler out, and well, we can get it do our double check that everything is set where it should be, and start rolling some mini round bales, so stick with us. Okay, folks, we got her baled. It's about to get dark on us, and but we got it done. We ended up with 6 bales off this little patch of our test plot, and it is some top shelf hay. We're really happy with it. The little mini round baler done real well. I had one issue with the twine wrap. I don't know if I put this bale on, the bale of twine on upside down or what, but it got to kinking on me, and so I had to stop, and it knotted up one time real bad and jumped off the pulley. So I turned it around. I took the bale, stopped everything, and took the bale of twine off, and turned it around and flipped it the other way and put it back on, and I think it ended the problem because the rest of it baled perfect. So we got her baled, and this is some good hay. We're real happy with it. So, and the little Farm Maxx FRMB or FMRB, I can't never remember which way them letters go, so excuse me for that, but the little Farm Maxx mini round baler, that's what I'm just going to start calling it, because I always mess up those letters and numbers. But the little Farm Maxx mini round baler ran real well, except for I think I had the bale of twine on upside down at one point, and it was causing it when it was coming off the bale, when it was rolling the hay, to develop some kinks. But like I said, I stopped and got that flipped around. I think it's fixed, so it done good. We got our test plot baled, and this will be the last we do for this year, and the hay looks really good, and we're happy with it. So thanks for being with us today. We really appreciate it. We appreciate you stopping by our channel, taking time out of your day to visit with us and here at Cross Timbers Farm. If you haven't, we'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to make more videos and take you along with us here on a small family farm. So again, thank you for being with us. God bless, and y'all have a good evening.